welcome to James S. Rickards High School. My name is Doug Cook. I'm the principal. Thank you for gathering with us today as we open the medical center. This is going to do wonderful things for our community, bringing it together and making sure that we provide medical opportunities for all that live in the Southside community. Without further ado, I would like to go ahead and introduce Neighborhood Medical Center Board Chair, Miss Alexis McMillan.
As a proud 1974 year graduate of Rickards High School, I am very, very, very happy to be here with you today. This is a momentous occasion for us in that we know that you are now in the neighborhood. And as a part of the neighborhood with the Holifield family and the legacy that Mrs. Holifield has left with the students who will be able to be a part of this organization, with Rickards High School as the foundation for where we are, we're glad that we're here. You're going to be pleased with us. We are very, very glad that we are in this space, and we look forward to many, many years of collaboration and health for the neighborhood.
Okay, Neighborhood Medical Center is here now at the Millicent Holifield Health Academy to provide primary care, mental health care, and dental services to not only the students at the schools, but in addition to that, the community at large. Our services are offered on a sliding scale, and we do not deny anyone based upon inability to pay.
First, I want to thank Doug Cook for his leadership here at Rickards, and it's great to be back home here at Rickards High School, where I spent most of my career. Neighborhood Medical, wow, this is a real partnership, isn't it? You know, one that we talk a lot about partnerships, and we talk about things that we'd like to do in the community, but today's a big day for the community, and I just really want to thank Neighborhood Medical for what they've done with this, for how they've providing a service, meeting a need that's needed in our whole community. So I thank you today on behalf of the entire Tallahassee community for what you're doing here. It's very, very important. I want to say a few words because, you know, I think today is very significant for our entire community. If you think about providing wraparound services at our schools, how important it is to make sure that individuals in the community have access to medical treatment, the medical process that's so important for them, mental health treatment, vision treatment, everything that we can do to help students to be successful. Because we know if we're not healthy and we're not well, you know, it's very hard to learn in a school, or it's very hard to be successful in the community. So today is an example of what I call a true partnership. And again, I just am very proud of this and for our entire community. And to know that individuals will be able to come in here and park and walk in here and get the type of health care that they need just ties into what we believe is true about our whole system. You know, the most important thing is how individuals feel about a school system, how they feel about a community. And we want individuals, every time they drive up to our schools, to feel positive about the school environment. And this is going to add to it. So again, this is an outstanding building. I hope everyone that's here today will get a chance to, you know, go into this and see exactly what we're going to be able to offer back to the community. Important. I want to thank our school board for allowing us, all the school board members that are here today, for allowing us to have a facility like this that we can share with the community, to give back to the community, to meet the needs of the community. And how does that fit into our overall education of students? Well, I think it fits directly, and without the school board's leadership, we would not be able to do that.
But I did want to thank you for being here. I have to tell you, this is such a proud moment for me, and on behalf of the entire board, my colleagues, Ms. Lewis Butler, Ms. Bowen are here. This is exactly why I ever ran for the school board in the first place, honestly. I work in higher ed with colleges and universities statewide around community partnerships. And this is exactly what the Leon County School System is about. It's about being a real member of the community, about being an anchor institution, and about being able to help give opportunities for students to learn and to serve in their community at the same time, and to provide the services that are needed in terms of actual community engagement and being a part of a community and a real partnership that is a sustainable partnership.
I'm very pleased to be a part of this event today. This is an event whose time has well come to provide the kind of services that this community needs so that children and families in this community can come and receive medical assistance, can come and get dental appointments and have that kind of attention paid to them as they learn. If our children are not healthy and if they are not fed well, they are not going to learn, and that's going to affect their academic performance. And so we're very pleased that in collaboration with us, Leon County Schools and the Medical Center, that these things are happening for our citizens.
I'm honored to speak on behalf of the Holifield family today. My mother was a person who never looked at things that hadn't been done and figured that they couldn't be done. She was always a person who felt that if something hadn't been done, that didn't mean that it couldn't be done. And so that was the approach that she used in helping create the first licensed practical nursing program available for Black people in Leon County. My mother, who had earned her RN degree at Boston City Hospital and her Bachelor's of Science in Nursing at Florida A&M University, would love to be a part of this kind of healthcare partnership. And so speaking on her behalf, I say thank you for all involved in helping make our community a better community, a healthier community, and a more inclusive community.
Once a year, the Democrats have a section of women that they special women you need to know. Proverbs state, "A good name is better than silver or gold." We felt Miss Holifield is a name you need to know, and she was better than silver or gold. She had a dream about young Black ladies that could become good bedside nurses. So she used 13 women from the tobacco field, made housewives, and brought this dream to fruition. The dream, I am sure, far surpassed this dream, anything Ms. Holifield could have ever imagined. That's why we are here today as part of that dream. Ms. Holifield had a dream. They said it couldn't be done, but she did it.
As you know, with all the ailments on the rise, hypertension, obesity, diabetes, even eye and teeth concerns can be a primary care here at this health center. What a great blessing this is for the Rickards community.